Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am bringing you this like random summer makeup look. I actually did not plan to sit down and film a makeup tutorial today. I am actually currently filming a foundation wear test on the Too Faced Peach Perfect Matte Foundation, which will be linked down below because that video will be up before this one, so you can check it out if you haven't already. But I normally do like my makeup off camera and then come back in the reviews, and for some reason I was like, let's just keep rolling and let's see where this goes. And the only thing I knew that I wanted to kind of wear today in like, since I got this shirt on, was like a summery makeup look, and literally this happened. I don't know how and I don't know why, but I like it, and so I figured I would just keep on going and let you guys come along with me. This is going to be a talk through tutorial today, which I haven't done one of those in a while either, so yeah, I hope you guys are excited and hope you like this look. So enough of me rambling. If you would like to see how I got this summer makeup look, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, since I am currently filming a wear test on the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation, I figured what better palette to do this tutorial with than the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes. I love this palette. It is everything I dream about in a palette. Nothing but mattes, nothing but delicious warm shades. I mean, and it smells so good. I'm gonna be so peachy today. I'm gonna smell so delicious. Anyways, I have no idea what type of look I'm going for at all. I just knew that I wanted to do something kind of light and easy, summery, and just kind of like utilize all these products together. I really hope you guys are excited, and I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and then we're just gonna like wing this together. I mean, honestly. Okay. Wow, I'm going to take the shade Just Peachy from that palette, and on a E35 blending brush, we're just going to start working this in to the crease. And now I'm going to take a MAC 217 and the shade Peach Punch, which is like the pinkiest shade in this palette, and I'm going to start working that into the crease as well. Still no idea what's happening. And I'm just going back in with that Just Peachy shade. With the Morphe M433, I'm going to take the shade Peach Cobbler, I think, and maybe just a tad of Peach Tart. And then I'm going to just kind of mix those and put them kind of on this outer corner. And so now I'm just taking some more of that Peach Punch and just working it in and blending these edges out, kind of bringing it down onto the lid. I think I'm going to put like a sparkle on the lid so it doesn't matter that it's there. And so to see how this goes, because like again, I still have no idea what I'm doing here, I'm actually going to take the Dose of Colors and Desi and Katy little quad, and I'm going to take the shade, ooh, don't let me jack this up, the shade Suze, the lightest sparkly one right here, and just on my finger, I'm going to just pack this onto my inner portion of the lid. And I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly from forever ago when I got that this is actually meant to be used kind of like wet, which is why you see a little bit of fallout. But I actually want this to look quite messy, which I know it seems weird, but I kind of want the shimmer like up and above where, you know, like the pink goes, kind of almost like it's scattered everywhere on the eye. And then I'll just brush off all that excess. And so real quick before I continue to get excited, I need some things to come together to see if this is how I want this to end. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my brows real quick. I'm going to put on my brows real quick. I'm just going to be using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. And because I couldn't resist, I went ahead and popped on a pair of lashes. These are the Velour lashes in Wispy Sweet Nothings. You guys know these are like my favorite lashes, and I think they complement this look so well. As always, you definitely do not have to wear lashes. Don't if you're not comfortable or if you don't want to, but I think these do something really nice for the look. And now we're just going to go ahead and finish up this lower lash line so we can get on with the rest of the face. I am actually going to take a smudging brush, I think, and dip into the shade called Peach Sangria. It's a more purpley color. And I'm just going to start working this on the lower lash line. And then going back in with the Peach Punch color, very little, pretty much adding nothing to the brush I use with that color. We're just going to kind of start smoking this lower lash line out. And then I'm just going to go back in with the same brush I used with the shade Just Peachy. And I'm going to buff this out even some more. And then I'm just going to go ahead and, of course, pop on some lower lash mascara. I am done with the eyes, which I am like loving. The more I look at it, I don't know why, but I'm just jamming. Thank the Lords. We are going to go ahead and continue on here. We are going to contour our face, and oddly enough, I kind of want this to be like somewhat soft, so I'm going to do a light contour with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. And I'm actually going to try using this Aesthetica P12 brush that I got in a BoxyCharm. When I got it, I was like, I don't want to contour with this brush, but you know what? It doesn't hurt to try it, so here we're going to do that today. Oh, it gives you like a nice light contour. Way lighter than I'm used to, but not bad at all. I'm going to throw in a little bit of my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer just to kind of warm up the rest of my face. Why I'm putting it everywhere, I don't know. For blush, I think I'm going to go ahead and go into this Jaclyn Hill and Becca palette. I know this is limited edition, but I hardly ever reach for it, and I want to do better about that. So I'm going to use this shade right here, which is Amaretto, and I'm going to pop that on my cheeks. I actually also think I'm going to mix just a dash of Pamplemousse, the little pink color. Ooh. Gosh, I forgot how much I love this. I try not to use it on my channel just because it was limited edition, and I don't even know if you can get the shades anymore. I know she had like the little half ones in like the regular Becca Compact, and I'm not even sure if you can get those anymore. So again, I'm sorry, but when I saw this look come together, I just pictured this in mind, and well, you know, I'm already doing it, so there it is. And then I think I'm going to go in for highlighter today. I think I want to use, again, the Dose of Color and Desi and Katy highlighter. I think I'm going to use the one in Fuego. This is a gorgeous highlighter. And I was going to use, of course, the Amrezy and Anastasia one, but I've used that one so much lately that I'm like, I'm going to take a break. And I'm going to pop this on. Ooh, whew. Yes, honey. Oh my God. Cupid's bow. As well as inner corner and brow bone, because why not? I am also going to go ahead and set my brows with some clear brow gel. And then I'm just going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright, so actually I think for lips I'm going to go with a nude for now. I'm going to take the Bite Beauty, these are like the chubby lipsticks. This is in the shade Amaretto. To top it all off with the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy gloss in over the top. I think it's just going to do something to this look. This gloss is everything, you guys. Okay, you guys, so that is the completed makeup look. I still have no idea what I'm going to call it, mostly because I literally just been putting it on and I didn't see this coming at all. I'm really obsessed with it. I love how, like, simple and messy the eye looks. I mean, all honesty, you guys, I didn't think it was going to turn out this good, and I didn't think I was going to like it this much. I was really nervous until the final look came together, but I love how the eye looks like it probably took me for freaking ever to do, and literally it took me no time at all. And I really love, like, the glitter all over the place, how I mentioned before that it was really, really messy. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget my wear test to the Peach Perfect Foundation will be linked down below, so you can check it out if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!